I dropped my Taranis face down and cracked the LCD screen, and it doesn't work anymore.
Switch warning.
Throttle safe.
The other radio functions still work fine, it's just the LCD screen, so I need to replace it. Here's how to do it. And start off by removing the battery. Unscrew the 6 case screws and loosen off the retaining nuts on the SE and SG switches. Then you can open the back. Take some photos at this stage so you know how to plug everything back in. This is the main board with the LCD on the other side, so we need to remove all the ribbon cables and plugs. Pull back on the grey clamping bar to remove the ribbon cables. They slide out easily. And with a little bit of wiggling you can just pull out all the other plugs. There are 5 screws holding the main board down, so remove them next. The main board and the LCD together can be lifted out now. Pull the clamping bar back to remove the LCD screen ribbon cable, and the LCD screen can be lifted off. The Taranis and the Taranis Plus use different LCD screens, so make sure you order the correct screen for your model. Here you can see the backlight stays soldered to the main board. This is the new screen and it comes with a backlight as well. The screen and backlight aren't permanently attached, you just need to pull them apart. And now it's just a matter of putting everything back together, reinserting the ribbon cable and snapping the clamping bar closed, and lining up the screen on the backlight. Make sure the bottom edge lines up. Good idea to clean the screen before you put it back in so you don't get any dirt trapped in there. Put all the screws back in and plug all the plugs back in. The SE and SG switches tend to pop out, so you need to reseat them. Attach the other ribbon cables and snap the locking bars closed. Pop the back on, put the screws back in, tighten up the SE and SG switches, put the battery back in and see if it's going to work.
Throttle safe.
0 volts, 0 milliamp hours.